Good morning. I traded GMDA today. I left money on the table for sure. I only got 50 shares. And the reason why I traded this one was it was a top percent gainer. And I was a little bit worried about the float 52-week high top percent gainer type thing. Um, but it didn't have any substantial news from today. Um, This was from yesterday, some positive results, whatever. Biotechs are always like weird. Um, so I was like, okay. So it gapped overnight because of some type of news, some safety or something news. And yeah, results of phase 3 study. So this was a nice gap from 9 to 18, but it looks like it was too much for this stock to hold. And now that I'm looking at it, it seems like it's got support in the 1320s, but if it cracks that, I mean, it's just $10 is the next stop on the train. So going into the intraday, so this was support turned into resistance. I was like, okay. I didn't like that it was green on the day, and I didn't like that it was above VWAP. But the fact that it's a biotech that's been running already and looks like it's failed its previous spike, those were kind of all in my favor. So I saw this big crack from the resistance level, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to wait for it to come back to this. I'm going to take a chance here on a low share count, and this is my risk. So I got in here at 14.23. My risk was 1506 I wrote down because I saw 1505, but 1505 is okay too. I got out here because of this little turn. I didn't want to give back any profits. I just wanted to, you know, take it all home. My goal was to get like $1 out of this, which totally could have happened. I noticed that it went down to 1280 prior, so I was like, it could totally go down to 1280. So I took profits early, but realistically, this was, let me just calculate. I think it was like 47 cents of range that I was able to get. 14.23 minus 13.76. 47 cents of falling is, I'm proud of that. I think that's good. It's not like 10 cents or 5 cents. It's 47 cents. With $100, that's $47. With 1,000, that's $470. That's like a week's salary in one day. So that's the goal. Anyway, I also want to talk about my trade on ABEPF from yesterday and how I got scared out here on this dip. Now, I made my risk level 19, 18 or something because I saw that it was like 19. And I got out because I was in from 23. I got out when it saw it at 21 because I got scared of it. And then looking at it today, it went all the way to 50 cents basically. So, and my friend Luis has been telling me about like the dips, the last hour of the market, how it dips back down and then it spikes. So this was another point of entry, which actually just scared me out. And I mean, I could have played into this morning spike. There was another opportunity after the dip down. So I totally missed this, but I was on the right track. So that kind of makes me happy. Just like this, I was on the right track. This is more of a confirmation that it's going back up towards VWAP. But yeah, that's all for right now. I was also looking at Buds, and it's so funny because I wanted to buy Buds over here, 1,000 shares. And I was like, Liz, you know you have a problem where you always buy at the top. And like, I was really serious about it at 170, really serious. And I was like, I don't know. I was wavering. I saw this red can. I was like, I don't know. Then I saw this red can. I was like, oh, thank God I never touched this because it went right back to 151. That would have been like a $200 loss. So stupid, right? I'm just really, I should never do longing with size until I really feel comfortable. I should not buy the tops. I should buy dips. I keep fucking telling myself that. But I don't feel comfortable. But I feel like this is running because of Tilray, which has just gone fucking nuts. I remember when this was $13. Now it's fucking 55. So should have bought some then, right? I don't know which way it's fucking going now. But that's it for now. I'm going to be looking for, let me go through some. I just know, what was that one? It was just came up. That fucking OTC. HRVOF. What is this? I like to look at the OTC top percent gainers. That's where I get my ideas from. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4 green days. I'm not touching that. And no news. I wish I knew how to short OTCs. Like, what does everybody use? Probably like Cobra and that type of stuff. Yeah, so that's... what about THCT? THCT. Let's see what's going on there. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 green days too. I'm not touching that. I only like first green days on OTCs, which is what this one was. Looking at the 1 year. New. It's having its second green day today, but this was yesterday. I don't want to touch it though. Anything else? Oh, I was also looking at Lizzie right over here in the 1350s. But I know that this stock is crazy and I felt super uncomfortable, but cool that that it actually worked. I was like, this had a huge panic and I was waiting for it to come back to here because I was like, I don't fucking know if I should just go in right here, risking off of this. It was a solid plan, but just freaked me out. But totally came back right down to where the panic was. Then I was also looking at HTBX. I tried to get executed here. So my plan was also solid. I know that I have a problem chasing stocks. I need to wait for VWAP. So I waited for VWAP. I tried to get in at 1204. Would not get executed on Interactive Brokers. They were telling me I didn't have enough margin or something. It was like, you need $2,882. I was like, but I have that. So whatever. So that didn't work. That would have been great. Yeah, beautiful. Falling off the table. This one is on my short watch, but I'm fucking scared as hell of it because it's a low float. So this will be with small size probably in the next coming days. This one's fucking weird. What the hell is this? This is a low float. Oh, it just turned red on the day. That's so funny. I think I was also looking at this one, but I'm not sure from what level. Tilray's gapping down. This one is the first red day. No, it's up. It's green. I don't know why it has a green candle. Interesting. I was also looking at this one. It's so funny. This one's up on the day with volume and a low float, but it just panics. It's probably because of these 100 million volume resistance people that are in here. But beautiful short from the 17s all the way down to the 11s. That's crazy. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and maybe I'll be back later. Bye.